Hey guys, welcome back. Illusion here with you again, like always, back on the Resonant Rise server for another episode of the modded series multiplayer. So, as you saw from the title, we're going to be working on AE storage, and I got kind of a cool build planned out for the day, and hopefully it goes pretty well. Don't think there's much to catch you up on since last episode. Actually recording just a little bit later than the previous episode, so not much has changed. Still waiting on some things to grow, and looks like you're still doing pretty good yourself. So, when I say cloud storage, what do I mean? Well, we're going to turn to random things mod for this part of the build. So, I have a Spectra key. To make a Spectra key, you get some Spectra iron. Spectrum iron is just ectoplasm mixed with a piece of iron, and you get this ectoplasm. There's kind of a rare thing, but once you kill a mob, you'll have this little floating specter that you can kill, and then you get a chance to get some of that ectoplasm. So I had a fair amount of it accumulated. It looks like I had 7 total. So it can make this key, and what this key does is it teleports you to a user-specific world dimension. Let it load in, and this is it. It's a nice little world. No one else can access this dimension, this little box, except for me. Now, if other people were using the Spectra key, you could probably see other players like next to each other. I've seen that happen before, but I'm not sure a lot of people know much about random things, so probably going to be the only one here. I already came and put some factory blocks and chunk loaded it, just make it a little bit easier to jump back and forth as our build continues. So what my plan for the day is to move the AE core components to here, link them up with a quantum link chamber thingy from AE, and then move the storage and security stuff to here. That way I can only be the only one to access it, and we have our secured ME system. What do you think? Sounds like a pretty cool plan, right? Alright, so let's jump back to the overall. And let's get going. Got the usual fall through the world. Oh, got 2 fall through the worlds. 3. Come on now. There we go. So we're going to need a couple things to start off with. And first thing we're going to need is some tiny TNT. Grab one of those. Come on. Grab a lever. And we're going to make some ender pearl dust. Where's my sag mill? Over here. Alloy smelter still, sag mill. And this is going to turn into, I missed it, ender dust. And then I have these singularities that I had been working on. Looks like still have 7. And we're just going to need 1 of them. And unfortunately it's still dark out, so we'll have to be a little bit careful. I don't remember how much block damage this TNT does. I don't think much at all, but oh, look at you, buddy. Yeah, that's a quiver mob. Kind of not nice. That, and I have my magnet on, so it's going to get sucked back up. Let's get everything placed down. Really? Yeah, nice job. So, you saw I failed pretty badly with that. Thought I heard another quiver mob, but Looks like that TNT doesn't do any block damage, so let's just do it in here where it's safe. Or if I was a smart fella, I would just go ahead and sleep. Think dark. Nope, I'm on by myself. TNT again, please. Get rid of that, that. Alright. Let's take the ring off this time. Bam, bam. And we're gonna blow these two up if I remember correctly. Yep. And now we have two quantum entangled singularities. Now, it's always a good idea to go ahead and label these. Simply put them in the enchanting table. Or not enchanting table, but a anvil. Give me like 10 levels. Ooh, looks like I need to bring you some power. So we'll do cloud 1. And cloud 2. That way I can kind of keep them straight if I ever have more than one of these. Cloud 2. There we go, I got cloud 1, cloud 2. Very cool. Put that back on. And we can start making the quantum link chambers. It's going to take a lot of resources, so I'll probably go ahead and make a cut here. So to make 2 of these quantum link bridges, we're going to need 16 quantum link rings. And you can see how much resources that's going to take. So it's going to have to craft up some flux dust and some logic processors and quite a few things. So I'll make a cut and wait for this to get finished, and then I will meet you back here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. So after a few minutes of letting the automation system work itself out, I have all the pieces I need. 16 quantum rings and 2 link chambers, or whatever they're called. I think I've decided to put it right here, kind of like a welcome piece, I don't know. Bam. Cool. Forms up like that. And which one can you connect off of? That one. Okay. And you do have power. So we'll go ahead and insert cloud 2 into there. And then let's run over 2. You can see my messy basement now. Try not to show that off. Then we can run over here. We'll grab this chest because it's got some stuff in it I need. And let's go back to the other dimension. Start setting it up on the other side. So just some tool tips off of this. There's consumes about 400 RF a tick to keep open. Well, be back in a second. No, no. Okay, let's try it again. Consume 400 RF a tick to keep the bridge open. So I did bring a tesseract for my main power. And well, let me see what's going on. I'll get us there. Well, whatever I did, it stopped doing that kick back. I don't know. No idea. Just like that. Let that form up. Strongbox, tesseract, and I think this is how you do it. Power network must be on the 4 edges, not the corners. So we'll do like that, like that. I saw it light up. Very cool. And now what we can do is, because it doesn't connect there, but it connects here, right? Yes. Very good. We're going to drop down our security station. Make sure that connects. It did. Biometric card, which I've already shift clicked on myself to set it to myself. I can deposit, withdraw, craft, build, and security. So basically I am the sole operator of this system. Security term. I don't know, what do we need to name it? Oh, that's the search bar. Thought you could just stick it in there. I don't know. Doesn't matter. That's working fine. You're empty. Take you back, and now let's bring over the ME drives. Back and forth. Probably should make an interface too. Just to make sure it's working. Interface, not an interface, I'm sorry, a terminal. You guys know what I meant. Crafting terminal, no, I just want a regular terminal. Can I have one of those, please? Really? I have no logic? You're supposed to keep those in stock. Why are they not in stock? Alright. Terminal. Alright. Let's very delicately move all this stuff. And yeah, I got enough inventory space. Alright, here we go. Any second. Okay. Drives down. Any particular order I see fit. Just like that. And not like that. Thought you could stick this right on there. Guess not. Awesome. So, we're now hooked up on this side. We have a full security system, and we have our storage. Also, don't forget this block right here, this security terminal. This is now how you can link the wireless. So you have to make this to make the wireless. So now we can actually have wireless, and that looks all nice and tidy. Let's jump back here and make sure it's working. Hope it's working. This is the first time I've built one of this in AE2. Fingers crossed. How about that? That looks kind of nice too, right there on the floor. Very cool. So that's going to, so no one else can access any of our blocks. No one else can open our inventories. No one can do anything with our network. It's completely secure, and no one can access our little cloud storage. And we're going to name this. Nope. T to the sky. Nice. So that was going to do it for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of security work on the ME networks. Have a great weekend if you are doing anything fun. And don't forget, I'm streaming on Wednesdays. Questions down below. I'll talk to you guys soon.